Hi everyone. So if you've joined Yoonla and you've joined my team, welcome and congratulations. You've taken action on trying to change your financial situation, which is always a good thing. To sit back and do nothing all the time will result in no difference in your life. So in order to get a reaction, you must act, and the fact that you have acted is a very positive thing that tells me you're serious. So once you've signed in and you went on to the page, if I just show you, once you've joined this one, put your name and your email address, and then you confirmed it with your email address. The confirmation email, it sends you to a page like this, and it says for you to confirm your email address again to make sure it is your email address you're using, and to set your own password. So when you set your own password, what happens is you come to the members area. Now this is a members area. Okay. Now the first step you have to do is this information on the left hand side, the steps 1 to 7. I need you to go through this. It is fundamental for you to go through this to understand what we do and how we're making money online, and how you can make money online. So it is very important. I'm getting a lot of people asking me, could you send, I asked them to watch the videos on the left hand side, the steps 1 to 7, and they asked me to send the video to them. I can't send it. This is on your own portal. So when you log in through the website, you will see that you have all this information at your disposal. And in order for you to actually start making money, you have to do steps 1 to 7. Now, I don't like to play with words. When I sign people up, I never tell them it's free, because it is not. It is free to a certain extent. What I mean by that is, to get this information, which I don't know why Reno has made it free, but to get all this information, is pretty much, you don't pay nothing for this. But that this is value for money. Like if I was Reno, and I'm hoping Reno doesn't change the plan, I would actually pay. I would actually make people pay for this stuff, because he does give you advanced information, where other people would never. Just to get this information, people would make you pay for it, but we don't. Yoonla doesn't make you do this. So you get this information free, but to actually start earning money, you have to pay around about. Now I'm in the UK, so it was roughly around about £60 for me, which works out to be about $80, I think, roughly. Um, no, that was a one-off payment, because obviously you pay for the Yahoo Small Business account, which is a one-off payment because you're paying for a year, and then you've got your Get Response account, which you pay every month. So I joined in March, and this is April, as you can see. So I've already had my second subscription for Get Response taken out of my account. Um, but yeah, the one thing you have to get through your head is, if you're serious about making money online, to make money online, you must spend money online. That's the bottom line. Anyone that can make money online without spending any money is done very well, or is an established marketer. So, like I said, to make money online, you have to spend money online. That's the bottom line. The people that don't spend money online, or the affiliate marketers who have been in the industry for years and years, and they've got an email list which they send to people, so they don't pay for their, they don't pay to make money. But the first thing you must do is that you must do these first 7 steps. Now, like I said, I don't tell people this is free to join. It is free to get this information, but you have to pay to make money online. So that's why I don't say it's free at all. Once you understand that, and you come into my team, what I'll do is I've actually got a Facebook group. I'll show you exactly how I'm doing it, and how I'm able to make money online. So join my team. I'll leave the login details, the link for you, um, where you have to log in to get to this page. I'll give you that URL. I'll also give you my affiliate URL for Yoonla if you want to join my team. By all means, join my team, and I will personally try and help you to show you exactly what I'm doing, so I'm making money online. So yeah, leave any comments in the comment section below, and subscribe and let me know if you find this useful. Thank you very much. Bye.